Hey everyone, happy Saturday. I just wanted to bring everybody along while I make some zucchini boats. I saw on Nana's channel today during her live somebody talking about those, and I've been wanting to make them for a while, and I just stopped off at a local farm stand and picked some up. So what I'm just using is, yesterday we had a cookout, so I have some leftover mild Italian sausage, some mozzarella cheese, a little bit of red bell pepper, a little bit of some turmeric rice that I made a couple of days ago. Yeah, I'm skipping out and making some leftovers out of nothing, and some seasoning. So I'm going to get these zucchinis. I've already rinsed them, and I'm going to cut them in half. And then I'm going to scrape out the middle a little bit. So there'll be a little well for the mixture to go into. Sort of like that. So I'm going to do all the rest and I will bring you back. Alright, so I've got the zucchini nice and scraped out like a little boat. I've got my chopped up sausage, bell pepper, and I'm just going to add some of my rice in here. I'm going to use my air fryer too, by the way, because why not? I've got a little bit of salt. I've got a little bit of pepper. I've got garlic powder. A little bit of oregano. You can put whatever you like. And a little bit of onion powder. You could put, chop up half of an onion and put in. However you like it. So I'm just going to give this a stir around. And I'm going to add a little bit of mozzarella to it. And I'm going to top it with mozzarella too, of course. And then I'm just going to fill these up. Spoon it in there. Okay, so I've got them on the air fryer rack, and I'm just going to add some more mozzarella to the tops of the boats. Because, that's the best part, right? Alright, now I'm going to take it over to the air fryer. Just want to make sure it's nice and gooey. All right. Woo! Did a little tilt. All right, we'll put that in on the middle rack. I really want to cover it with aluminum foil, but I guess that would not be good in the air fryer. So let's see here. I'm going to do, oh my, wait till I figure this out. I'm just gonna say fries. Let's take it down a little. How about 350 for 12 minutes? and hope they don't get burnt. So let's see how that does. I'll bring you back. Okay, it's only got 3 minutes left, but it looks like it's getting kind of burnt. So let me look. Alright, I'm going to plate these up. They look good. And see how they actually taste. So be right back. Okay, so I did already taste it. The zucchini is a little bit crunchy. If you like a little bit of bite to it, it's good. And the cheese is not as gooey from the air fryer. So I think the next time I'll make it in the oven on a low temp, like maybe 325, because I like it really gooey and soft. But it really is tasty. I might add tomatoes next time too. But there you go, guys. Quick, easy banana zucchini boat, and pretty much healthy except for the sausage. But you could put ground turkey, ground beef, whatever you like, or like low-fat sausage or something like that. But thumbs up, guys, and hope you guys have a blessed Saturday and weekend. Hopefully see you tomorrow for Sunday piano music, and take care, guys. Bye.